Introduce highlight features or overview summary for the THEKUKU Jump Starter 5000 amp car battery jump starter with air compressor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 5000 amp car jump starter. Our powerful car jumper starter portable provides 5000 amp peak current. This powerful feature can start 9.0L gasoline/8.0L diesel engines and 12V vehicles up to 50 times within seconds. Designed for universal compatibility, it works seamlessly with cars, trucks, motorcycles, and SUVs. 5-in-1 jump starter. Air compressor, mobile power supply, flashlight, LED light, 5 functions are set in one, for engine starting support, disaster prevention supplies, typhoons, earthquakes, fire, and other emergency needs. A jump starter, while being able to provide a maximum pressure of 150 psi and can inflate for up to 25 minutes. It equipped with 4 different nozzles, which can be used to inflate cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls and other devices. Mobile power supply. This jump box for car battery is a large capacity mobile power supply. USB output port 5V/3 amp. The maximum power can reach 45 watt, charging speed is 2 times faster than ordinary. Emergency can be used for smartphones, tablets, personal notebook or digital, can greatly shorten the charging time of MALA, game consoles and more. Convenient and practical. Multiple protection function. This battery jumper starter portable uses a high safety lithium-ion battery. Loaded with short circuit, over discharge, surge current, reverse current, low voltage, high temperature, overcharge protection function, the starter body and the car to protect the battery. It has passed PSE, CE, FCC, MSDS and other safety certifications. You can use it with confidence. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.